Hello everybody, welcome to tutorial for downloading Fusion 360 for free. First, type Autodesk Fusion 360 Students, then click on the link that says Free Software for Students. Now you have to create an account. Everything should be random because that's how it works. If you want a free account, everything has to be random, and age should be above 13. Now you get a verification, and it all has to be random, and you have to press can't find your school, and then everything random. This is not even an actual city, it's just random. Then you select enrolled from, also random. Now your count has been set. Now you can get access and download Fusion 360.